Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for latest notification. So without any delay, let's start the video. Government interested in business, not people, says Supreme Court. Government has cut down the rate for the EMI. Since the economy is been badly impacted due to COVID-19 pandemic, small to large businesses are closed and many still have lost their job and people can't able to give their EMIs on time. For that reason, government has decided to reduce the interest rate and extend it till 31st of August. So as the deadline has came close, government is not in a mood to extend the date because it is impacting RBI and as well as the other bank. People are protesting and waving their hand so that the date should be increased or they should cut down the interest rate. Middle class acquire multiple of loan to manage their dreams and budget. So now let's talk about what is the solution specially behind that the Indian existing middle class can overcome through the EMIs and loan. Indian middle class acquire much of the largest loan in which educational loan, personal loan, home loan are available on the list, which have the higher interest rate compared to others. With effective management system, you can prevent debt from spiritually out of control. Now let us talk about some proven tip to manage multiple personal loan. Number 1. Pay off personal loan EMIs before your monthly credit card get dues. This is because default and late payments on personal loan impact your credit card score, and more than default on personal loan can be quite severe. So when you have multiple loan, prioritize your payment accordingly. Number 2. Don't create additional credit card debt. The importance of this point cannot for once be understood. If you go on to the create additional credit card debt beside having multiple loan accounts, credit card interest rate hang over up to 35% to 40% per annum. So accumulating more credit card debt will be force you to make higher minimum payment and it will be lose your wallet too. Number 3. Focus on pre-closing on loan at a time. If you have 2 loans, you can manage, but more than 2, like for example 3, can be pretty much difficult. So while you focus on pre-closing, make sure that with the highest rate interest first, then after that you can close your credit card account. Number 4. Don't choose to take small loans to manage monthly repayment. You are right. You might be tempted to complete your small loans to pay off monthly repayment, but don't do that. Clear your dues first before prioritizing your on other aspect. Applying for additional loan will impact your credit score as well as increase number of hard pulls. Lead to the rejection will then go on to negatively impact your credit score, prompting more rejection in the future. Number 5. Last but not the least, opt for the balance or debt consolidation loan. Debt consolidation loan and direct all debts towards a single source. Not all banks provide this loan. It generally come at higher rate of interest, and it's only to the top bankers that give the loan. Usually looks upon the employment stability, length of history while approving debt and consideration loan. So if you want, you can easily opt for it. So that's all for today. If you like my channel, do share, subscribe and comment. So stay safe. Until then, bye bye.